Okay, sir, you're just gonna tell me your name and where you're from, what city.
Name is Thomas Martinez. I'm from the city of Indio, California.
Great. And what symptoms initially brought you to our clinic here?
Initially, it was my legs, as far as it could be. I'm a diabetic, and also I had ended up with the shingles about 4.5 years ago on top of my head, and that was the biggest factor that made me come out here just to try the laser treatment.
And what treatments did you try for your post-herpetic neuralgia shingles you had on your head before coming here?
Before coming here, basically just injections. I started off with injections in the throat, back of the back, the spine, and finally the last one was on right directly on top of the head. All that did was just swell me up for about 6-7 hours, and
So it didn't work at all, huh?
the pain came back. And that's when I found out there were steroids, and I said no more.
Yeah. And was that the VA hospital or was it
No,
neurologist?
it was here in the Palm Springs office in Palm Springs.
All right. But neurologist really couldn't do anything for you, huh?
Well, nobody ever recommended me to go to one of those, to
Okay.
tell you the truth.
Uh-huh.
Basically, it just started off with just injections, and it just kept on going with injections.
And was the pain worse at night? Did it affect your
Oh,
sleeping?
yes, definitely, because I couldn't sleep. My bed was the recliner in the living room,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
because I couldn't sleep. I couldn't lay down at all. Or either couldn't swing my head to either the side to the left or to the right, or lay down flat.
And after the first few laser treatments, what changes did you feel, if at any?
As far as my feet were concerned, I could walk longer,
Wow.
and I could stand a little bit longer without having any pain. And it just felt great. It's just the pain just was totally different after the first couple of treatments. And then as I continued getting more treatments, it got better and better and better. But as far as the head was concerned, it took about maybe the fourth treatment when I started noticing some difference.
Wow.
Yeah, because I told my wife, I said, you know what, I think I'm going to try and lay down this time and see what happens at night, which I did. And then I ended up sleeping about 5.5 hours without getting up at all.
Yeah, because before you said you could only sleep for about 3 hours, right?
Yeah.
And I'm sure you could testify as the wife. And now he's sleeping twice the amount, 6 hours.
Yeah, even up to the point where it's 6.5, maybe 7 hours without having to get up. And I do get up, I relieve the pain a little bit with the painkillers that I have.
Could you point part of your head that did have the shingles pain?
Right here.
And when you
Here.
first came in, how bad would this pain get on a scale of 1 to 10?
It was above a 10.
And after a dozen treatments of the laser, what is it now?
It's about, I'd say, between, it ranges from a 4 all the way up to a 6 sometimes.
Yeah, that's about a 50% improvement
Yes.
in just a dozen treatments. So it looks like we can reverse the nerve damage it caused. So congratulations on the improvements in your diabetic neuropathy of the feet and the post-herpetic neuralgia in your head.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is, like everybody, I was skeptical
Yeah,
of anything, especially, this being laser.
yeah,
What
yeah.
is laser going to do for me?
Exactly,
Especially up here. What's it going to do for your nerves up there?
exactly, yeah.
But after I noticed what it did to my feet, as far as my feet were concerned, I says, well, maybe it'll work a lot better on my head.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it has. It
Yeah.
has for, up to a certain point. But which I am very grateful because of the fact that before, I was going
Every night, yeah.
yeah, it was
You probably dreaded sleeping because A, you can't sleep,
exactly.
and the throbbing pain just grabs you.
Having my wife look at me and see the pain that I was going through, and
There's no relief. See, I had sciatica in my leg. I had the shingles here in my back. I still have the scars. Nothing helps. Heat doesn't. Cold doesn't. You just have to bear through it. I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. So yeah.
that's basically what I did. And I was telling my wife, at first I was just thinking about maybe going to the railroad track and wait for a train to come by.
Really, yeah, it's that bad.
Yes.
I mean, it's like the pain is bad. Just take it away.
But now this blessing came by, and I'm grateful for it because of the fact that I feel different, and my attitude towards life totally has changed because of the
Well,
fact.
we literally shine the light in your life. And that's what the laser did for you.
Yes,
okay?
it did.
Congratulations, you're a candidate to continue to get more permanent healing of the nerves. So congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. What was your rank when you got out of the military?
Sergeant.
All right, Sarge. All right.
Thank you.